So in the last video that you watched, we talked about checks for understanding and incorporated them into your class. Wanted to give an example of how those checks for understanding then could be turned into small group work. So what we're looking at right here is a class that's taking reviewing and launch. Miss Lee in the front is going over some of the answers for the majority of the class. The assumption that we can work off is that these are the majority of the students who are kind of understanding, who are moving at the same pace as everyone else. What you don't see yet is Miss Lou, who will be coming in shortly, and the work that she's doing with some of the struggling students. And so one of the things I want to emphasize is that looking at the class right now, there's Miss Lou. The class is still kind of able to function in a very similar way, where Miss Lou, who's going to be moving the camera in a second, is moving, panning still, to this group over here in the corner, where she's able to provide more support to some students who maybe that just need additional time, maybe need things broken down into in a different way. And so this group of students they are working on their writing assignment while some of the other students are moving on to the vocab. And so they're able to get the specific attention they need, answer any questions that they have, while the rest of the class is able to continue to move on. So again, this is an example of how we can quickly implement some checks for understanding in terms of identifying the groups and then breaking it down to where those students should be getting the most support.